What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're out here in this beautiful early spring day, I'd call it, even though it's February, but it's pushing 60. We just landed an absolute bruiser of a smallie, and I'm hoping we can get on a couple more too. Just throwing around a little Z-Man. I'm gonna try a hair jig too, maybe some other lures, and just see what's working. Thank you for clicking this video. Let's see if we can find some more. Let's get fishing. Good morning, guys. So we're out here at the river. Gonna toss around a little hair jig here. I've honestly never caught a fish on a hair jig because I just don't use them. Subscriber asked me if I could try to make a video catching some on a hair jig, so that's what we're gonna try today. Just had some rain, sleet, snow yesterday. I think today is supposed to be around like 60. So hopefully this little warm front gets them moving. Tell you what, right now is not 60, it's about 40. It's chilly out. The way I'm retrieving this is I'm trying to keep it close to the bottom. If I feel it touch the bottom, I'm kind of just like popping it up. And I don't know the exact way to retrieve these. Like I said, I don't really fish them that much, so if there's somebody watching that fishes hair jigs a lot, please leave a comment how you fish them. Just curious. Oh, I don't know if that was a fish or stick. I'm fishing this on a 7-foot medium fast. It's a Stealth Sniper by Bull Bay Rods. Alright, real quick, I just wanted to show you my setup here naked before I put my plastic on it. I'm just using, I believe this is a 2-aught extra wide gap hook, 16th ounce tungsten, little bullet weight on there. And then I just pair it up with my little Z-Man goat. Again, throwing this on a 6/8 medium extra fast Banshee by Bull Bay Rods. We're gonna try down here. All right, so I still have a hair jig here, but in this area, I know there's fishing line out there because I've been caught on it a couple times. So I'm gonna throw this little baby goat around because I can actually skin hook the tip of it right into the plastic to prevent hooking that line that's out there. There's a fish. Oh, there's 3 of them right there running too. Oh, that's a good one. That's a nice one. He smoked it. There's 3 other ones with him. Solid one. Trying to get these black bugs off of me once again. He's dogging. Don't pop off. Dude, that's a stud. We got an absolute bruiser, guys. Wow. That's a beefy one there. Wow. Wow. Look at that one. That, I got bugs crawling up my nose. Look at that. That is massive. We have the scale, so we're definitely gonna get a weight real quick. Just crunch that baby goat there. There we go. Dang. That 4'9", absolute giant. This is definitely a big female, pre-spawn, feeding up, getting ready, lay her eggs and everything. Wow, what a giant. All right, we're gonna let this girl go. Just an absolute tank of a smallie. Yes. So glad I took a stop here. Yeah, right when I hooked into that one, there was two little ones that came swimming this way. Let's see if they're still out there. Oh, dude, look at that. I think that's one of my lures. I don't know if you can see that. There's a Z-Man crawl standing straight up right there. I know that's mine. Look at that. Yep, little wobble head on there. I don't remember putting a skirt on it, unless somebody else was fishing here. Either way, we got a lure. And I just ripped that crawl off. That's definitely North Branch tackle wobblehead. Sweet, found some tackle.